Hello everyone, today I'm going to review different types of lip balm that are available in India. This one is not available, others are available. This one has been gifted to me by my cousin from USA. He got me this lip balm. It has this slight pink kind of consistency. It's a little thick, I would say, but can be used as a lip balm easily. Since this does not have any ingredient list, I cannot vouch if it has really properties to heal chapped lips, but it looks pretty good when applied on lips. This is Victoria's Secret's Sexy Kiss. In Decadent Berry shade. Next I will come to Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This as it says completely that it can be applied during night only. I would not recommend you to apply in the morning and go out in the sun, because probably its ingredients might be something that might react in sunlight and may not produce good effects. This 8-gram product comes in 500 rupees. This 500 variant is the smaller version, and there's one more version which comes in 1100, and that's a bigger version, and a spoon also comes with it, a little small spoon to apply lip balm. This is the size of the tub, and you can see that it's completely filled to the top of the tub, and it's going to last a very long time. I think the only thing that I do not like in this lip balm is that it does not come with a SPF, even though it's a little bit expensive. But its properties are really good, and when I apply in the night and in the morning, if I check my lips, they are quite moisturized and they feel supple and soft to touch. So I think in the long run it might help, but as of now I can only see the effect when I apply in the night, and I can see effect only in the morning. Like, it does not long enough to another day. I have to apply it every night. This also comes in other variants as well. I have bought in berry, and it has a sweet smell of berry. It has a mild smell only. This lip balm is my favorite. This is Sebamed's Lip Defense. It has SPF 30. This is the reason that it's my favorite, because of the SPF, because I can apply this and go in the sun as well. Also, it gives a lot of protection, because SPF 30, you know how important it is. Doctors recommend at least SPF 30 for skin, so it's quite important to apply. I have very dry and chapped lips, and it does help me a lot. This comes for 427 Indian rupees. It says that it has jojoba oil and vitamin E, which is good for skin. This is easy to use. You can just turn this around to pull it up. I'm almost going to finish this one, so you can see that how much I love this. This is the second tube that I'm using. So it does not have any tint, and it's clear. I just love this one. These two are products that other family members in my house use, so I thought to put it in the video. This is a clear gel as well, and this comes for 45 rupees, and this is for 150 rupees. This is Lakme Lip Love. This has a little bit tint to it, like this has a slight reddish pink color. It is in cherry shade. My issue with these is that it does not have SPF. Other than that, they are fine. This has a tint, and I have used this one earlier for like tinted lip balm effect on my lips. But if you ask me that which one would be best for chapped and dry lips, I would recommend this one to apply in the morning because it has SPF and it's quite nourishing as well. And this one, Laneige one, in the night as a lip mask. So this was my review for different lip balms available in India. Thanks for watching.